In the grand theater of global economics, a new act is unfolding. India, the world's largest democracy, is surging ahead. Outpacing China, India's growth is powered by robust domestic consumption, amplified manufacturing, and infrastructure enhancements. Additionally, the Indian government's proactive reforms and initiatives, aimed to boost business ease, are fueling this growth. India is actively racing to achieve a $5 trillion economy. China, the second largest economy in the world, is witnessing a slowdown. Its once booming economy now faces various challenges. Largely due to its debt-driven growth, an aging demographic and growing trade conflicts, the Chinese economic pace has dwindled. Troubles for China keep mounting as India, according to a Standard & Poor's report, is expected to register a % GDP growth by 2026. The predicted growth puts India in a more advantageous position, particularly when juxtaposed with China's economy. This growth projection places India in a favorable position, especially when compared to China's slowing economic trajectory. However, it's not all doom and gloom for China. Although the nation's impressive economic growth has recently decelerated, it's important to recognize that the economy is still on an upward trajectory. This slowing pace of economic progression is not indicative of a looming catastrophe, but rather a natural part of any country's economic life. In response to the slowdown, the Chinese is not remaining passive. Instead, they have been taking active steps. They have set in motion numerous strategies aimed at sparking economic revival and preventing further deceleration. Among these are the introduction of tax cuts, a fiscal move designed to encourage spending and stimulate economic growth. They're also significantly boosting infrastructure spending, a classic strategy to spur job growth and, indirectly, consumer spending. The Chinese government has been implementing a series of measures to stimulate the economy, including tax cuts and increased infrastructure spending. China's slowdown and India's rise present a reshuffling of the global economic order. This transformation is predominantly marked by the growing influence of India in the international economic sphere. The youthful population of India, positioned aptly on the demographic scale, is complemented by sweeping economic reforms that aim to facilitate unprecedented growth and development. At the same time, China's economic dynamism seems to be slowing down, indicating a potential shift in power dynamics. This offers a significant chance for other nations to step into the picture, harnessing this situation to strengthen their own economic foothold. China's slowdown presents an opportunity for other countries to step in and fill the void. In summary, India's economic growth and China's slowdown is a significant development in the global economic landscape. This development doesn't just affect these two nations, but it reshapes the financial canvas across the globe. It's a powerful testament to the dynamism, volatility, and unpredictability of the international scenario. Throughout history, global economies have been witness to shifts of power and wealth. It's a reminder that, despite our best efforts, we're often at the mercy of unpredictable economic forces. We find ourselves living in a time where the world is more interconnected and interdependent than ever. As we navigate through these interesting times, confronted with a multitude of challenges and opportunities alike, one thing remains certain: the world will be watching closely. In the end, it's not just about economic growth, but also about sustainable and inclusive development. This concept is particularly true for populous nations such as India and China. These two countries are not merely the manufacturing hubs of the world, but their economies are of paramount significance to global economic stability. With more than a third of the world's population residing in these two, they are brimming with potential, demanding the world's attention. These countries are increasingly becoming the incubators for startups and innovation. They are not just maintaining a high growth rate, but also trying to ensure that the growth is inclusive. Their policies are geared towards creating opportunities for their vast populations, an approach that is not only humane, but also has strong financial sense. Both India and China, with their vast populations and immense potential, have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of the global economy.
We believe our efforts have enlightened your understanding on the topic. Moreover, if you are looking for market research services including consumer survey, ethnography survey, voice of consumer survey research and data analysis, real-time quantitative and qualitative data collection and analysis, market intelligence services and reports including market size, forecast data, future trends, market segmentation analysis, regional market share, major companies' market share and competitive analysis in various sectors including technology, automotive, energy and power, healthcare, chemical and materials, consumer goods, BFSI, agriculture, information and technology, etc., then feel free to get in touch with us at www.marketresearchuniverse.com. Furthermore, we are happy to offer you unlimited reports, downloading, and data access at our platform, from anywhere, on any device, starting now. Stay informed, make better decisions. Getting curious but undecided? No need to worry. Dive into a 7-day free trial extravaganza, immersing yourself in a world of mega-trending market research reports and consumer survey reports for data-driven decision-making. Startup Business Plan reports with new startup business idea generation support and vibrant community facilities. Why wait? It is time to discover, decode, drive your market research universe for data-driven success. Get started with a 7-day free trial today. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social handles at Market Research Universe for regular industry updates.